kami mga point of order, Mr. Chair. Wala kaming kakampi. Therefore, since wala kayong rules of evidence, the rules of evidence apply. Yes. So, if you ask, what is our purpose? But before that, sir, are those activities legitimate? And how can you say that it is legitimate? Hindi kami masasabi kung sir, is the crime within that mark within that mark evidence? Yes, sir. But for suppletory, yes, sir. But wala kayong rules of evidence.
Ma'am, dito na kayo.
Wala ba? Therefore, the rules of court apply. Hindi pwedeng i-end. Hindi pwedeng i-end. You are not the chair. I'm talking to the chair. You allow me to talk to you. You are not the chair. The rules of court is not i-end. What pa po yung
Meron po bang due process? Tingnan po ninyo yung ginawa niyang sulat.
Point of order,
Point
Mr.
of
Chairman.
order.
Point of order.
What is the point
I
of
think,
order,
Mr.
Congressman
Chairman,
Dan
the
Fernandez?
good gentleman is not under investigation in this committee, and we are investigating other matter. If you wanted to be investigating
Mr.
that
Chair,
matter, I think,
I
Mr. Chairman,
still
this is not
have
the
the
right
point
floor,
of
forum.
order
Mr.
is
Chair.
proper.
I still have the
What is-
floor, Mr.
what is the
Marcoleta.
point of
I'm still-
order?
the
Congressman
point of order.
Marcoleta, please
To
wait to be
suspend, Mr.
recognized.
Chair.
1 minute
Pwede
suspension
po
is
bang
declared by the
pigilan
chair.
ng isang nagsasalita?
Inamin ni Atty. Lopez na sila ng kanyang assistant COS na si Limuel Ortoño ang nakalagda sa sulat sa COA patungo sa liquidation ng confidential funds. Inamin niya rin na nag-issue siya ng isa pang sulat na tinatangkang pigilan ng COA sa pag-comply sa isang subpoena mula sa kongresong ito. Ilang beses rin po nakatanggap ang komite ng mga iba pang sulat mula kay Atty. Lopez na tumatangging humarap sa komite on the basis of the same grounds na kanyang inilahad sa sulat ng COA. Kung titignan po ang totality of Atty. Lopez acts, malinaw na mayroong clear, persistent, and willful attempt to interfere, frustrate, and defeat the inquiry undertaken by the committee. At dahil dito ay nahatulan siya ng contempt under Section 11F of our Rules of Procedure governing inquiries in aid of legislation. During the course of the hearing, Atty. Lopez was asked, tinanong po siya, kung sila po ay nagsampa ng kaso dito po sa Supreme Court, dito po sa request ng Kamara para humingi po ng mga dokumento at sinabi po niya ay hindi. Ang act po ng Congress, ito po ay nadesisyonan na noong nakaraang committee hearing at kung meron man pong question sa constitutionality na ginagawa po ng Kamara at any time po pwede po tayong mag-question sa Supreme Court via petition for certiorari. Maraming salamat po, Congressman Marcoleta.
Mr. Chair, yun nga po yung tinatanong ko sa inyo kanina kung paano ginanap yung assessment ng totality of evidence. Sapagkat kung napansin po ninyo, isinama po yung di umano ay pagtatanggal ng ibang kawani ng DepEd na wala yatang ang pagkakatingin ko po sa mga minutes ay wala pong due process na pinagtatanggal po sila. Isa po yun yata sa ebidensya na ipinasok ninyo sa totality. Tama po ba?
Isa lamang po yun sa mga napag-usapan po.
Gusto ko lamang pong puntuhan
Tama
yun
po.
sapagkat ako po bilang isa, tinanggal po ako sa lahat ng aking committee. Hindi ko man lang po alam kung ano yung kasalanan ko. I was not even informed. The first element of due process is notice. I was not notified. What did I do wrong? Wala po. Pero pinagtatanggal po ako, tinanggap ko naman eh. Pero wala pong due process. Yung po ang gusto kong ipaintindi rin. Pati nga po yung membership ko sa commission on appointments na wala namang kinalaman dito sa gawain natin sa Kongreso, tinanggal din po ako ron. Meron po bang due process? Tingnan po ninyo yung ginawa niyang sulat.
Point of order,
Point
Mr.
of
Chairman,
order.
point of order.
What is the point
I
of
think,
order, Congressman
Mr. Chairman,
Dan
the
Fernandez?
good gentleman is not under investigation in this committee, and we are investigating other matter. If you wanted to be investigated
Mr.
that
Chair,
matter, I think,
I
Mr. Chairman,
still
this is not
have
the
the
right
point
floor,
of
forum.
order
Mr.
is
Chair.
proper.
I still have the floor, Mr.
What is
Marcoleta.
the point of
I'm still-
order?
the point
Congressman
of order.
Marcoleta, please
to
wait to be
suspend, Mr.
recognized.
Chair.
1 minute
Pwede
suspension
po
is
bang
declared by the
pigilan
chair.
ng isang nagsasalita?
Considering that as requested, Attorney Soraya Lopez has been examined by the judicial and cleared the Central Quezon City. You are directed to transfer Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Medical Center, Quezon City. Ma'am, si NK Valley Worker, may text tayo galing kay Sir Eugene Luna. Ma'am, sabi ni Sir Eugene Luna, tapos na yun. To General Victoria, Professor Eugene Mulia, Master Attorney Soraya Lopez, to Veterans Memorial Center. Dear General Torres, as verified, the transfer of Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Hospital shall be complied with respect to the House directive to transfer her. Please accord all security measures necessary to ensure her safety. Furthermore, please allow the unfettered access of her personal physician during her confinement. The attorney will also be accorded full security rights of the following people: Senator Narosa, Senator Amy Marcos, Vice President Sara Duterte. Please be advised that all corporate hospital safety guidelines should be followed as hospital policies on state of Secretarian for strict religious compliance. Dito, maraming witness. Dito naman mo sasakay ka naman mo sa sasakyan ni BP. Ma'am, sasakay po kayo. Sasakay po kayo sa sasakyan ni DC. Kasama niyo po si DC sa sasakyan. She will be transporting you to Veterans Memorial Center. Hindi ka naman iiwanan ni DP. Sure, we are waiting. Yes, promise. Nandiyan naman si DP. They are just in one car. Ano na? Hindi ko lang iiwan.
Bibigyan nyo ng magandang ano dyan. Padala. Ito lang kayo dyan. Dyan lang mama.
Hindi, baka maanyo.
Doon ka na ting.
Dito kami sa likod mo, mama.
Ano na siguro. Atras muna, atras. Ipa-atras lagi, maunag sa guys mo. Abutin mo yung ano. Abutin mo yung ano. Sige.